I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good? Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anyway. So I look around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com and today we're making Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. I'll show you how to play it in the original key, although that way we need the E chord, but I'll also give you some tips for the E chord, so yeah, don't leave the video, you'll make it, don't worry. I'll show you the chords, then I'll show you the pick that we have, and I'll show it to you in two different ways to grab the E chord so everybody can do it, and after that we'll take a look at the parts, the string pattern that I'm doing, and then the play along. So stick to the end of the video. Let's go. The first chord we need is the chord of E major, and I know that this is frustrating for a lot of you guys, so I'll give you two different ways to grab, and also I'll show you the pick with the two different ways to grab the E major chord. Okay, so the first way to grab the E major chord is how I'm usually grabbing it. It's like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting my ring finger on the 4th fret of the G, C and E string, and I'm bending it like this. All right, so the A string is open, and then I'm putting my pointing finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. This is how I'm doing the E chord. Also, I'm helping with this finger often to press. All right. The second way to grab it is barring on the 4th fret and with the pinky on the 7th fret, like this. But in the picking that I'll show you, we'll grab it more like this. And we will also press on the E string on the 7th fret. Okay? This is more like E5, but in the context of this song, it sounds good. Okay, after that we need the chord of D, which I'm grabbing in the same way that I showed you for the E chord. I'm barring on the G, C and E string. I'm bending my finger to leave the A string open. If that way is not easy for you, you can do it with 3 fingers like this. Okay? After that we need the chord of A major. And then for the chords we also need the chord of E minor. Alright, also we need the chord of F sharp minor. And finally the chord of B, which I'm grabbing like this, barring on the A and E string on the 2nd fret, middle finger on the C string on the 3rd fret, and ring finger on the G string on the 4th fret. Okay, so first let's start with the pick. I'll come a little bit closer now to show it to you. Alright, I'll show you 2 different ways to do the picking, so no matter which type of E chord you are grabbing, you'll be able to make it, alright? So first I'll show you how I'm doing it with the E chord that I'm usually doing, which is like this. Alright? So we grab the E chord and then we do down, down, up, down, up. And then I'm putting my ring finger down so the A string is also pressed on the 4th fret. Then I remove it and play the A string on the 2nd fret. Then I remove the pointing finger too, and then the E string on the 4th fret, alright? Alright, and then here's the trickiest part. We have to lift up a little bit more the ring finger and the middle finger to play the E string on the 2nd fret. And then with the pinky on the 5th fret, and then 4th fret, and then C string, 4th fret, and after that we go to the D chord where we are playing mostly the C string, then A string open, and then hitting the A major chord and getting back to the E major. All right, so here's it slowly. Again. All right. And here's it how to do it with the other E major chord. So we're barring here on the 4th fret and with the ring finger on the 7th fret of the E string and A string. All right. And what we're doing here again, down, down, up, down, up. And this time pinky on the 9th fret of the E string, remove it. And then with the middle finger on the 5th fret of the E string. All right, so. And then we remove it. And then on the C string 6th fret, then on the E string 5th fret, remove it. And then C string on the 4th fret with the bar. Okay, so. And we get back to the D chord where we do exactly the same as in the other version of the picking pattern. All right, so here's it slowly. Once again. All right, so these are two options you have in the original key. Try them both, whichever is easier for you. But also probably in the beginning, none of them is going to be easy for you, and you have to put a little bit of practice, a little bit of work, and then it will be good, okay? So don't be scared to practice, because this is how you make it. So we are using this pick in the intro, and also if it's not messing up with your head and you're able to sing with it, you can do this throughout the verses, because the chords on the verses are exactly the same. And the string pattern I'm doing is something like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So we're doing the string pattern 5 times on the E chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the 6th time we're doing D, and really quickly A, just for 1 strum, and then get back to E. Okay, so here's it. All right, so this is the verse. Once I had a girl, what should I say? She once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good? Norwegian wood. Then we go to the chorus, which is with E minor. She asked me to stay, and she told me to sit anywhere, to A major, and then again E minor. Then I look around and I notice there wasn't a F sharp minor to B. And again, in the chorus we are doing E minor 4 times, to A major 4 times, to E minor 4 times, to F sharp minor twice, and B twice. All right, and pretty much that's all you need to know to do the song. Now let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, you can slow down the video, start practicing slowly, and after that speed up when you're ready with the tempo. Okay, let's go. And that was my ukulele tutorial for Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.